Hello viewers, today I show you how to open VIP app. Now you go to Play Store and right here VIP. I have downloaded already. Now I open and look downside get VIP. You click here. When you click here, you can look continue. You click continue. Now I click continue. Now already show enter your phone number. You can here writing your phone number, but you cannot give 0. Without 0 you write your number and you look downside here have get verification code. You tap on here and give here yes. Yeah, now coming your verification code, automatically coming your verification code. Yeah, now already coming ready. Now you select your name and give your profile photo. I already give my name all in one. I already have a profile photo. I change this photo. I click here and coming choice photo. I go to gallery. Yeah, I choose this photo and you select. After you downside you look okay, here click. Already your photo coming here. Now here click done. Now you see my account already open. Now have my some friend here join ready. Now I can message, video, audio call with my friend. You also can, but you must need a VIP account. Now I show you how to open VIP group. Now I go to back and here you see message option. I click here and you look there. Here you click and you look first option new group chat and here you have friend. You can few friend take here and you look downside have phone bar. Here you click. Now we are show group subject. Here you give your group name and select a photo for your group profile. Now downside you look click here. Now we are see here have so option. You can unlimited 1 hour, 3 days, 1 week, 1 month. You select anything. I select 1 hour. I click done and I click here. Please wait some time for your group open. Now open my group. Now I can chart here my friend with and I can give location and photo and some document and I can give my contract and have so many options. You also can do this. Must you need a VIP app. This app is very good for everyone because this app have more secure from other app. Okay friend, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching my video.